Welcome to Natiquette Next. Today I'm going to show you how to take an initiative to have an account on Chat GPT. Chat GPT is very useful app on web which helps you effortlessly. You need to have an account on Chat GPT. Today I'm going to show you how to make one. So here I'm going to search Chat GPT. I already have searched, so it appeared here. I'm going to click on it. So Google has shown me all the results relating ChatGPT. It is developed by OpenAI, so I'm gonna open the official web of the ChatGPT. I'm gonna click it. I have clicked it. It looked like here I'm on the front and the main page of the ChatGPT. I don't have any account right now on, so I'm gonna sign it up to make one. If I already have an existing account, I would log in. When you will make an account, you then have to log in. In first step, you have to sign up. I'm gonna click it. I have clicked it. Then it will ask you to create your account and put your email address here. Then you have to put your email address here, and then you have to click on the continue button. Afterwards, it will show you if you are already existing or not. Before making this video, I was just trying to make an account to show you, so I tried my best and I have put my all information here. So it is asking me the user already exists, so it is asking me to verify it. Next step, it will be sending you an email which you have to verify. Next step, you have to click on that and verify email address. Afterwards, you have to click on login, and it will asking you about your information, your first name, your last name, the organization, institute, or whatever you are working at, or you are a student, or whatever. You have to write that here. Afterwards, you have to write your birthday year. You will be clicking to continue it on the continue button. Next step, it will ask you in which country do you live. I am living in Pakistan right now, so I have choose Pakistan. And then to send you the SMS or the code, it will be asking you to write your number. You have to write your number, and the next step, it will be protecting your account after sending you code, and you have to solve the puzzle to protect your account. It will be giving you two options. The visualization puzzle, you have to solve it in 1 to 7 steps, or you can use the another option, which is audio challenge. You have to listen to it and to have to answer it quickly. I have done it, so I know it. Then after completing the challenge, you will be able to have access to these. I was talking about the Chat GPT, so you have to click here. Afterwards, it will show you screen something like this. After reading, just like this is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our system and make them safer. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive and biased content. It is not intended to give advice. Then after reading, you have to click on the next. Then it will show you something like this. Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainer to improve our systems. Please don't share any sensitive information in your conversation. After reading this, you have to again click on the next. It will show you something like this. This system is optimized for dialogues. Let us know if a particular response was good or unhelpful. Show your feedback in our Discord server. Then you have to click on the done button, and then it will show you screen like this. You will be able to use Chat GPT, and Chat GPT have so many prompts and abilities and features which make your life easier. If you are not a pro in content writing, in essay writing, in scripts, it will help you in any content. You can write whatever you want here. That's for now. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and share our video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to properly use the Chat GPT. Thank you and good luck.